My brother actually forced me to start cheering when I was about 8 years old. It was all really positive. Being on a team with 18 other girls that have the same goal as you is just so reassuring, and they turned out to be family. I was doing a toe touch backflip on a trampoline when the accident occurred. I was really scared. I've never broken a bone or anything, so I wasn't sure what the pain exactly was. My mom and brother and we went to North Shore to get x-rays because my athletic trainer had asked me to get cleared for practice.
Christina's injury was a flexion distraction fracture of her lower thoracic spine, which is the part of the mid-back. It's an unstable fracture because the spine essentially becomes in two parts, and that can be very dangerous if not stabilized to her spinal cord neurologic functioning. With Christina, we were able to use a less invasive technique where in lieu of fusion, we were able to place screws in through a computer-guided system and a minimally invasive technique that allows us to stabilize her fracture as opposed to fuse it. The benefit of this procedure is that after a year, when the fracture's healed, we'll take the screws out and there's been no fusion of the actual spine itself.
My experience with my care team was really positive. They all reassured me that everything was going to be okay, and they brightened my mood every day. They gave me a quilt to take home with me, which I still use to this day. I'm almost back to where I was before the accident. Everything was going really well. I started physical therapy about a week or two after my surgery. I would say I'm pretty active. I exercise almost every day. I like to run. I have Ukrainian dance once or twice a week. Dance is a very big part of my life.
Christina had a very serious injury that could have left her paralyzed if not treated quickly. The surgery was completed safely and quickly, and she was back recovering in the pediatric unit in no time. The cohesiveness and efficiency of our system is imperative for patients like Christina to have safe and effective care in a timely fashion so that they have the best outcomes possible.
I think that this has taught me to appreciate just living life in the moment and not taking anything for granted because nothing's set in stone. I don't regret anything that's happened now because I could not be more thankful for where I am now in life and what this experience has taught me. I would like to focus on my academic career and get started on a medical career so that I could help other people get started on pursuing their dreams.